welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Auntie Daycare. If today is your first time on this channel, I am more than happy to have you on board. You're so welcome. Yes, today we're going to continue in our learning of Yoruba numbers. If you remember last week, we were able to learn 1 to 10. Before I continue on my teaching today, we're going to greet in Yoruba language, just like we did last week, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, go. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, a kú dédé àsìkò yìí níbi gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Auntie Daycare. Tí òní bá jẹ́ ọjọ́ àkọ́kọ́ tẹ́ máa wá sórí ètò, ẹ wò ó, inú mi dùn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ láti rí yín. Ẹ káàbọ̀. Ní orí ètò lónìí, a máa kọ́ nípa àwọn òǹkà èdè Yorùbá. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá, a kọ́ látorí 1 dórí 10. Ní òní, a máa kọ́ látorí 11 dé orí 20. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ni mo fi ń kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Ẹ ṣeun gidi gan. All right, guys. So today, we're going to be learning from number 11 to 20 in Yoruba language. And then after which, we're going to recite everything again from 1 to 20. All right? Now, this other part of the number 11 to 20, okay? Some people find it really complicated to understand, okay? But I'm going to break it down as simple as I can. Last week, remember, we learned from 1 to 10. Now, for this week's one, your 1 to 5 is very important to understand. If you can remember, your 1 is Okun, and your 2 is Eji, and your 3 is Eta, your 4 is Erin, your 5 is Aaron. Now, from 11 to 14, okay, you will be adding LA to all of this your Okun from last week. So, if you're to say 11, right, and you know that 1 is Okun and you're adding LA, it means Okonla. Okay? You know 2 is AG. So it's Ejila. You know 3 is Eta. Then 13 will be Etala. Okay? You know your 4 is Erin and you're adding LA. So your 14 will be Erinla. Okay? For 15 to 20 is a different ball game entirely. Just the way we know in our maths that if you deduct 5 from 20, it will give you 15. Okay? So in this aspect, you need to understand that 20 is called Ogun, right? And you have your Aaron as 5. Okay? So for this next segment, you will say 5 deducted from 20. Okay? And that just simply means 15 in Yoruba. Okay? So it will be, you remember that your 5 is Aaron. So it is Arundinlogun. Okay? Din means minus. Ogun is 20. So it is Arundinlogun. The next one there, to get 16, it will be 4 deducted from 20. And remember your 4 is Erin. Okay, so it will be Erindinlogun. Okay? If you deduct 3 from 20, it's going to give you 17. So I remember 3 is Eta. So it's Etadinlogun. There's a pronunciation to it. I just have to explain that way. It is Etadinlogun. Okay. So it is Etadinlogun. Okay. Then if you deduct 2 from 20, you're going to get 18. So it is èjìdínlógún. Okay? And then if you deduct 1 from 20, and you know your 1 is ọ̀kan, so it's ọ̀kàndínlógún. Alright? And 20 is ogún. Okay? So we're going to try to recite that again, and then we will start from number 1 to 20. Alright? So ọ̀kànlá is 11. Èjìlá is 12. Ẹ̀tàlá is 13. Ẹ̀rìnlá is 14. Àrùndínlógún is 15. Ẹ̀rìndínlógún is 16. Ẹ̀tàdínlógún is 17. Èjìdínlógún is 18. Ọ̀kàndínlógún is 19. Ogún is 20. Okay? So let us recite again from 1 to 20. Okay? 1 ọ̀kan, 2 èjì, 3 ẹ̀ta, 4 ẹ̀rin, 5 àrún, 6 ẹ̀fà, 7 èje, 8 ẹ̀jọ, 9 ẹ̀sán, 10 ẹ̀wá, 11 ọ̀kànlá, 12 èjìlá, 13 ẹ̀tàlá, 14 ẹ̀rìnlá, 15 àrùndínlógún, 16 ẹ̀rìndínlógún, 17 ẹ̀tàdínlógún, 18 èjìdínlógún, 19 ọ̀kàndínlógún, 20 ogún. Give yourself a round of applause. Wow. Well done. I hope this is very, very easy for you to understand. I try to break it down as much as possible. So I would like you to recite your 1 to 20. Whatever you can remember, just get mommy and daddy to record you on your voice notes, okay, and send to me. So I'm going to be prompting you guys when to say our Odabo, all right? So I'm just going to have a quick word with our parents, and then I'll come back to you to say our Odabo, okay? I'm just going to say my thank yous, okay? So another takeaway for you this week is Eshel means thank you. Okay, so when you hear me say Eshel to our parents, I'm saying to them thank you. All right, okay. Eshel ẹ̀yin àtẹ̀yin bàbá wa. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ túbọ̀ wá kọ́ àwọn òǹkà èdè Yorùbá wa. Ẹ ṣeun gidigidi gan. All right, guys, we're going to be saying our Odabo on the count of 1, 2, 3, go. Odabo.